Ever wondered how to turn those receipts into cold, hard cash? Or maybe you're just tired of the back and forth with finance. Well, fear not, expense report warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of expense reports. Expense reports can be a drag, a real buzzkill to your otherwise exciting work trips. But they don't have to be. With a little organization and a dash of knowledge, you can conquer this bureaucratic beast. Step 1. Gather your receipts. First things first, round up those receipts. Every little purchase, every meal, every taxi ride, it all counts. Make sure they're clear, legible, and complete. No faded ink or missing details, please. Step 2. Organize your receipts. Now, let's get organized. A well-organized expense report is a happy expense report. You can use a physical folder, a digital scanner app, or even a dedicated expense tracking app. Whatever works for you. Step 3. Fill out the expense report form. This is where the real work begins. Your company likely has a specific expense report form. It might be a paper form or a digital one. Pay close attention to the details. Date of purchase, when did you spend the money? Vendor name, who did you pay? Amount spent, how much did it cost? Category, what was the expense for? E.g., travel, meals, office supplies. Purpose of expense, why did you spend the money? A brief explanation can go a long way. Step 4. Attach your receipts. Don't forget to attach those receipts. Staple them to the paper form or upload them to the digital form. Make sure they're in the correct order and easy to read. Step 5. Review and submit. Before you hit that submit button, take a moment to review your expense report. Double-check the dates, amounts, and categories. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're confident, submit it to your finance department or through your company's expense management system. Tips for a smooth expense report process. Keep it simple, avoid overcomplicating your expense reports. Stick to the essentials. Be timely, the sooner you submit your expense report, the faster you'll get reimbursed. Communicate with your finance team. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your finance team. Use expense management software. Many companies use expense management software to streamline the process. Learn how to use it effectively. With these steps and tips, you can navigate the world of expense reports with ease. Remember, a well-organized and accurate expense report is the key to a hassle-free reimbursement process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.